The topic of the day is Evans tries an O level. The last lesson in your syllabus. I would like to tell you, CBSE has released the sample paper. You all may have noticed it. You all may have seen it. The question paper consists of only 12 questions. 1 mark, 2 mark and 4 marks. It will carry 40 marks. And it is completely subjective type of question. Hopefully, we are hopeful enough to have examination in future because Omicron is on surge. You are unable to attend schools. We are forced to study online. There are so many problems. So, it is a far-fetched thing, a far possibility for us to appear in examination and to do the same. Now, we shall discuss, so we don't have much time. That is why the lesson is quite lengthy. We have to finish it as soon as possible. So we will utilize our time first in completion of this lesson. There are some characters you must know. It is clearly mentioned in your textbook, but I would like to tell you about some facts, some important facts related to those characters. So, dramatis personae. Before that, I would like to tell you what is an O level. O level is German language exam. This is German language exam. O level is German language exam. And there is a character Evans. James Roderick Evans. It is the full name of Evans. James Roderick Evans pursues, tries an O level, that is German language exam. Where is he? He is in the prison. And he wants to pursue the German O level exam, that is language exam. Next character is the secretary of the examination board. The first one, the secretary of the examination board. Examination board secretary called the prison authority, the governor, to arrange for the examination of a prisoner whose name is Evans. Evans in the prison of the governor, HM prison. Name of the prison is HM prison. So he is in the prison. And the secretary of the examination board discussed with the governor to arrange for this character, Evans, the examination. Next is the governor of HM prison. As I told you, governor of HM prison. This is the person who received the call from the secretary. the secretary of examination board called the governor of HM prison for the conduct of examination for Evans. James Roderick Evans. Next is the character we are talking about, James Roderick Evans. James Roderick Evans. He is also known as James or Evans the Bread. Evans the Bread. Why? Because he has already escaped the prison 3 times. Escaped prison 3 times. And this is going to be the 4th time when he is going to escape from the prison. And what is his nickname? His nickname is Evans the Bread. So prison authorities call him Evans the Bread. Next character, but before that I would like to tell you one more important thing. Kleptomaniac. Kleptomaniac. In the very first lesson in this book, the 3rd level, we studied about a disease, schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a disease Charlie suffering from, and here it is also a disease, kleptomania. Kleptomaniac is a person who is unable to suppress his desire of stealing something. As soon as he sees anything that does not belong to him, he picks it up. And that is why he is jailed. And this is 4th time he is in jail. 3 times already he has escaped. And due to what? Due to kleptomaniac character. And he has inherited it from his father. So you can easily understand his father was also a thief. Now the next characters. The next characters we have Mr. Jackson. Mr. Jackson. Mr. Jackson is a prison officer and new recruit. He is a new recruit. So you can understand he is newly recruited. He obeys orders without thinking. He doesn't question if prison authority said to do anything. No questions at all. Yes sir, I am ready to do it. So he never questioned anybody for anything. So he did not ask any question. He never raised any question. Then the next one is Mr. Stephens. Mr. Stephens. Mr. Stephens. Who is Mr. Stephens? Mr. Stephens is also a prison officer and senior to Mr. Jackson. So he is well-built personality, quite senior to Mr. Jackson, and his duty is to supervise Evans' exam. His duty is to supervise Evans' exam. Then comes the Reverend Stuart McLeary. Reverend. The Reverend Stuart McLeary. Stuart McLeary is a parson, is a priest in a church, and his job is to act as an invigilator. Who is going to invigilate Ivan's exam? So his duty is to be invigilator. So it is all about the examination that is going to be conducted in the prison itself. Mr. Carter. Mr. Carter. Mr. Carter is detective superintendent. Detective superintendent. And we'll meet him after Evans will escape. Then Mr. Bell, detective chief inspector. So these two characters, Mr. Carter and Mr. Bell, will meet for a short while and nearly at the end. So these are the characters